Next, we are going to discuss about the example problems. Kindly refer your page number 211 in your book. See the first example. Consider the oxidation of nitric oxide to form NO2. So 2NO2 plus O2 gives 2NO2. So for this equation, first we need to write the rate. So that only asking in the A part. So express the rate of the reaction in terms of changes in the concentration of NOO2 and NO2. So rate for this equation, rate equal to, so that the coefficient is 2 here. So we need to write in the reciprocal form. So minus 1 by 2 d of NO by D2 equal to, so the oxygen also in the reactant side. So minus d of oxygen divided by D2 equal to, so product NO2, so the concentration of NO2 that is 2. So we need to write 1 by 2 D into NO2 divided by D2. See the second B1, at a particular instant when O2 is decreasing at 0.2 mole per liter per second, at what rate is NO2 decreasing at this instant? So D of O2 by D2 equal to 1 by 2 D NO2 by D2. These two alone we are taking. Okay. So what is the rate of NO2? That only asking in the question. So this one we need to keep move to the left hand side. So D of NO2 by D2 equal to, so that 2 is moved to the another side. So 2 into D of O2 by D2 equal to, so the value of O2 is given in the question itself. So when O2 is decreasing at 0.2 mole per liter per second. So 2 into 0.2 equal to 0.4 mole per liter per second. So you see the second example. So what is the rate with respect to each of the reactant and overall order of the reaction? So one equation is given, Br and plus BrO3 minus plus 6H gives Br2 plus H2O. So rate law for this equation is given in the question, K equal to Br minus BrO3 minus H plus. So the order of that Br is 1, BrO3 minus is 1 and the H plus is 2. So what is asking in the question? Overall order. Overall order means just we need to add all the things. So 1 plus 1 plus 2. So we are getting 4. So in the B, acetaldehyde decomposed to give the methane and the CO. So the rate law for this equation is, so CH3CHO order is 3 by 2. So the order of the reaction with respect to acetaldehyde is 3 by 2. So the overall order is, so 3 by 2. Because only one reactant in the question, so that is 3 by 2. See the third one, the rate of the reaction X plus 2Y gives the product is 4 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second. So X and Y concentration is 0.2 m. The rate constant of this equation is 2 into 10 power minus 2 per second at the temperature 400 Kelvin. So what is that overall order asking in that question? So first we need to write the equation, rates equal to K into X power N, Y power M. So the rate is given in the question. So that is 4 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second equal to the rate constant also given in the question. So rate constant value 2 into 10 power minus 2 per second. So concentration of X and Y both are 0.2 moles. So X concentration is 0.2 mole per liter. Y concentration also 0.2 mole per liter. So we need to write the power for X and Y. So X power is N and the Y power is M. So next we need to bring that 2 into 10 power minus 2 to the another side. So we are getting 4 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second divided by, so this 2's come this side. So divided by 2 into 10 power minus 2 per second equal to 0.2. So 0.2 is common in both X and Y. So we are going to take out the 0.2. So 0.2 power, we need to add this 2 powers, N plus M. So like that, mole per liter is common in both X and Y. So we are going to take out that mole per liter. So power M plus N we need to add here. So we are cancel this 4 into 10 power minus 3 by 2 means we are getting 0.2. Second is common here. So both are cancel each other. So we are getting mole per liter. So here 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3 is there. So we are cancel this 4 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2 into minus 2 means we are getting 0.2. Next we are going to comparing the powers on the both the sides. Here n plus m is common power is there. This side 1. So n plus m equal to 1. See the next example. The first order reaction takes 8 hours for 90% completion. Calculate the time required for 80% completion. So it's a first order reaction. So first we need to write the rate equation for the first order. K equal to 0.303 divided by 2 log of A naught divided by A. So A naught value, that is initial concentration, equal to 100 mole. So when T equal to 90 percentage, when time 90% completion means, so what is the concentration? So 100 minus 90. So we are getting 10. So like that, T equal to 80% completion means, so 100 minus 80, we are getting 20. So that time the concentration is 20. So the first order rate equation, K is equal to 2.303. Suppose we are going to write for 80% completion means, so T 80% log 100 divided initial concentration, that is 100 divided by, so this 20 we need to write for the 80% completion. So next for T equal to, so K is come down, so 2.303 divided by K. So next we need to cancel this one, log 5. This one we are taking as equation 2. So we need to find out the value for K here. So next step, find the value of K using the following data. K equal to 2.303 divided by T90. So we are going to take for T90 now. So T90 means concentration is 10. So that only we are entering here. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T90 means, so T90 means, so how much hours? Time is 8 hours. So that only we are writing here 8 hours log 10. So log 10 value 1. That only we are enter here. So substitute the value of K in equation 2. So this value we are going to substitute in the equation 2. So T 80% equal to 2.303 divided by 2.303 divided by 8. So this 2.303 and this 2.303 are cancel each other. So 8 goes to the top. So 8 hours into log 5 value 0.6989. So next we need to multiply this to 8 into 0.6989. So we are getting the 5.59. So hours is the unit. So the time is asking in the question. So unit of a time is hour.